Everyone loves to hear great feedback, and really, we're no different. When we receive a 5-star review, we just want to shout it out from the mountaintops. That's why we're so happy to share this one with you right now. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us to know that we're fulfilling our commitment to provide everyone with a first-class experience. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best. Give us the chance to earn a 5-star review from you too. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.